Today we shall discuss chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identity. To discuss it, look at the right triangle ABC in which angle B is a right angle. This side is base. The opposite of right angle is hypotenuse, and the opposite of angle A is called perpendicular. The hypotenuse denoted as H, base denoted as B, perpendicular P. To find the trigonometrical ratio, sin A is equal to P by H, or perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to B by H, or base by hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to P by B, perpendicular by base, and cosec A is equal to H by P, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec A is equal to H by B, hypotenuse by base. Cot A is equal to B by P, base by perpendicular. Each trigonometrical ratio is a real number and it has no unit. Then the reciprocal formula. If you multiply P by H into H by P, which is equal to 1. Reciprocal formula means if you multiply any two numbers and the product is 1, then two numbers are called reciprocal of each other. So if you multiply sin and cosec, you will get 1. So sin A is reciprocal of cos A, and cos A is reciprocal of sin A. So sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A, and cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Like this, cos and sec reciprocal of each other. So cos A is equal to 1 by sec A, and sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Similarly, tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, and cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Then cosine formula. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Then square relation. 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, and sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now come to the exercise number 1. Given that sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Start from LHS. LHS sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1. You can write the reciprocal formula for sec A, 1 by cos A minus 1 by 1 by cos A plus 1 equal to, take the LCM, cos A, then 1 minus cos A by, take the LCM of denominator, cos A, 1 plus cos A, imply that 1 minus cos A by cos A, write the reciprocal of denominator cos A by 1 plus cos A. Cos A cancel, then 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Number 2, start from RHS. Cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. Write the cosec A in the reciprocal form, 1 by sin A plus 1 by 1 by sin A minus 1. Take the LCM of numerator sin A, then 1 plus sin A, LCM sin A, 1 minus sin A equal to 1 plus sin A by sin A into sin A by 1 minus sin A. Cancel, and 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Finish. Number 3. 1 by tan A plus cot A equal to cos A into sin A. Start from LHS. LHS 1 by tan A plus cot A equal to 1 by tan A formula sin A by cos A. In place of cot A, write cos A by sin A. Then add the denominator 1, then LCM of cos A sin A will be cos A sin A or sin A cos A, sin A into cos A. Then divide the denominator with LCM, then sin A into cos A by cos A, cos A cancel, sin A. Sin A multiply with sin A, sin square A. Like this, sin A into cos A divide sin A. Sin A cancel, rest cos A cos A into cos A, which is equal to cos square A, equal 1. Write the reciprocal form of this. 1 into sin A into cos A by sin square A plus cos square A. Now 1 into this equals the itself, sin A into cos A by sin square A plus cos square A is identity, which is equal to 1. So sin A into cos A, which is equal to RHS. Like this, number 4, tan A minus cot A equal to 1 minus cos square 2 cos square A by sin A into cos A. LHS, given that tan A minus cot A, write tan A formula, which is equal to sin A by cos A, and cot A formula cos A by sin A. Then subtract, taking the LCM of cos A and sin A, which is equal to sin A into cos A. Then divide cos A with this, cos A cancel, then sin A into sin A equal to sin square A, minus sin A into cos A, divide sin A, rest cos A quotient, multiply with cos A, which is equal to cos square A, equal to sin square A. The identity is equal to sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So in place of sin square A, put 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A by sin A into cos A equal to 1 minus cos square A, 2 cos square A by sin A into cos A. Number 2, finish. Then number 5, sin 4th A minus cos 4th A, which is equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. LHS, sin 4th A minus cos 4th A equal to sin 4th A equal to sin square A whole square, cos 4th A cos square A whole square. Then this is the identity, a square minus b square. The a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. So this one sin square A plus cos square A whole into sin square A minus cos square A. Use the identity sin square A cos square A, which is equal to 1 into rest sin square A minus cos square A. In right side 2 sin square A minus 1. So convert cos square A into sin square A. Multiply 1 with this, which is equal to same number sin square A minus cos square a. Now sin square a, convert cos square a, which is equal to 1 minus sin square a according to the identity. Then sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a equal to 2 sin square a minus 1, which is equal to the RHS. Then number 6, 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square which is equal to 2 sec square a. Take LHS, which is equal to 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square equal to 1 minus tan a whole square. Use a minus b whole square here, then a plus b whole square here. Use two identity. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 square plus tan square a plus 2 minus 2 into 1 into tan a plus this one a plus b whole square, 1 square plus tan square a plus 2 into 1 into tan a. Then minus plus this one cancel, rest 1 square 2 tan square a 2 tan square a. Take 2 common from both terms, then 1 plus tan square a according to the identity. 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, which is equal to 2 sec square a. It is number 7. Cosec 4th a minus cosec square a, which is equal to cot 4th a plus cot square a. LHS, cosec 4th a minus cosec square a equal to, take cosec square a common, then rest cosec square a minus 1, then cosec square a into cosec square a minus 1, which is equal to cot square a. Now change this one cosec square a, which is equal to 1 plus cot square a into cot square a. Now multiply 1 into cot square a plus cot square a into cot square a, cot 4th a, which is equal to the RHS. Number 8, sec a whole into 1 minus sin a whole into sec a plus tan a equal to 1. LHS sec A 1 minus sin A whole into sec A plus tan A. Sec A, write reciprocal form 1 by cos A whole into 1 minus sin A. Then sec A 1 by cos A, reciprocal form, and tan A sin A by cos A. Multiply this one into this one, 1 minus sin A by cos A. This one cos A LCM, denominator same, so LCM will be cos A, and add only the numerator 1 plus sin A. Multiply the two fraction, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That means 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by cos A into cos A, which is equal to cos square A. In numerator there is a identity A minus B whole into A plus B, so you can write 1 square minus sin square A by cos square A. 1 minus sin square A, which is equal to cos square A by cos square A is equal to 1. Finish.